EMN Platform has been in place for 10 years, and this event is the latest in many interesting technical meetings and conferences over the years discussing important topics related to statelessness. And the purpose of today's conference was to rekindle and continue the dialogue in statelessness with all the relevant stakeholders who are represented here today.
On 11 June 2024, the EU Pact on Migration and Asylum was approved by the European Parliament and the Council. For the first time in history, the binding provisions have been introduced in the EU acquis, leading with statelessness. This marks an advancement in the identification and protection of stateless individuals in the European Union. Today's meeting is an opportunity to bring together stakeholders and partners to discuss the practical implementation of these measures, as well as the possible challenges that will be regarding statelessness. During the proceedings of the event, participants will have the opportunity to hear from the European Commission, European agencies like the Fundamental Rights Agency and the European Union Agency for Asylum, as well as the Council of Europe, UNHCR, European Network on Statelessness, as well as some non-governmental organizations that are active at member state level on statelessness.
We really welcome this multi-stakeholder conversation today, including both lived and learned expertise in the room together with the institutions. It's really important now to see the new obligations through the EU Asylum and Migration Pact to identify stateless people. What we need to see now is really effective implementation, a multi-stakeholder approach to that implementation. And secondly, we also need to see those additional gaps that have been identified today being plugged through further law and policy reform, better data collection and improved access, in particular to statelessness determination procedures, which are really critical for stateless refugees and migrants to ensure access to protection.
Discussions and network in an open space between stakeholders is the cornerstones of the European Migration Network, as well as the platform on statelessness. Collaboration between governments, international organizations and civil society emerge as a key to design solutions that are both human and practical to reduce statelessness in the European Union.
We've had very interesting panel discussions with different perspectives, and we have also heard testimony from a member of the stateless community. Our conclusions from the discussions here today will form a report, and this will be the basis for the future work of the platform.